now on the planet Earth, in the year of whatever, it's Kenny Oberg.
You all right? Wait. My posse. My posse. Hey, Susan. Hey, Steve. Are you ready for this? Yeah, I know what you mean. I know what you mean. Just wear loose pants. You won't scream anymore. Here you go. Here's the quickest contestant introduction in game show history. Ready? Here we go. Count me down. First of all, say hello to Laura. Laura right here is from Bloomsburg University. She's a student. In the middle, Byron's from the Bronx. I am this Michael. He's a student from Merrick, New York, right? Wonderful suburb. Hope someday to afford to live there. Wish him luck. I'll get this show over in 10 minutes. Watch. All right, here we go. You know how this works, right? I ask a bunch of questions that are supposedly funny in nature about television, and you guys hopefully have some answers. Byron, you're in control.
Okay, Ken. I think I'll take number 3. Channel for free.
Okay, channel 3, 6 feet under. 5 points. Which one is not dead, Mo, Larry, or Curly Joe? Which one is not dead? Laura? No. Incorrect. Byron? Michael?
Curly.
Yeah, Curly Joe, right. His full name is Curly Joe. Curly is dead, but Curly Joe is not, for those of you scoring at home. And if you are scoring at home, get a life. What? Curly Joe was the guy that filled in for Curly and the other guy.
Shep.
No, there was Curly Joe.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, come on, I have the facts right here. Go ahead, Michael.
All right, Ken, I'll stay with channel 3.
Okay. There is so a Curly Joe. Look, what do you do, like ganging up on me?
Take it easy, Zane.
All right, 10 points. This guy should have been buried 6 feet 10 inches under. Named the late king of the flesh flicks, whose nickname was Wad. That's Laura.
John Belushi.
No. Johnny Wad Belushi. Mike, anyone else? Mike, Byron. Nobody knows. Johnny Wad Holmes. Johnny Holmes. Remember Johnny Holmes?
Holmes.
Yeah. Michael, you're still in control.
I'll stay with channel 3.
Okay, why not? The other two have been so much fun. 15 points. Name the only Beach Boy whose body became fish food. Michael.
Dennis Wilson.
Yes, 15 points. Excellent job at age 39. 20 points now, Michael.
Okay, I'll have channel number 2.
Okay, Michael. MTV. 5 points. How many members of this band don't have receding hairline? Michael.
2.
No. Laura.
1.
No. Byron.
None.
None, right. They all have receding hairline. Ah, yes.
Curly Joe.
Go ahead, Byron. You just had to do that, didn't you?
I'll stay with channel 2.
Okay, MTV, 10 points. What nocturnal sickness gave this guy his latest album title? Michael.
Oh, Tom Petty.
No, his latest album title is Unbelievable Laura.
Insomnia.
No. Byron. Full Moon Fever. Only the #1 selling album of the year. That's all right, shake it off. Go ahead, Byron.
I'll finish off MTV.
Okay, 15 points. For what spiky-haired vocalist did this puffy-haired dude used to play lead guitar? Michael.
David Lee Roth.
No. Laura.
Billy Idol.
Yes, 15 points. Oh, wake me when this is over, will you? Okay, Laura, go ahead.
I'll take channel 1, Ken.
Channel 1. It's time for a visit with our Celebrity Square. Rose, marry me. Thank you for your warm reception. For 10 points. Welcome back, Ro.
Oh, hello, Peter.
Ken, not Peter. Anyway, what you been up to?
Oh, Peter, I met this lion tamer last week, but he was a little bit too strange for me. I mean, I didn't mind the whip so much, but, well, when he asked if he could stick his head in my mouth, oh, I stormed out.
Yes, we feel your pain. Well, as long as we're on the subject of animals there, Ro, answer me this. What sort of animal tries to attract females by vibrating its tongue?
I'd say a Manhattan construction worker, Ken.
Laura, this is for Laura only. Laura, do you agree or disagree?
Well, actually, I would say.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I didn't really give my answer, Ken.
Oh, I'm sorry, Ro.
I gave my
slept in
joke
rehearsal.
answer.
Oh,
I would have to say the howler monkey.
The howler monkey. Do you agree or disagree, Laura?
I disagree, Ken.
You disagree. Oh, you should have agreed.
Oh.
Well, where's the audience guy now? This is when we really need him to cheer. Come on. What do you want to do, Laura? Like a piece of Swiss cheese, this show, huh? Go ahead, Laura. What do you want to do?
We'll stay with
them?
Channel 1.
Okay. Ro,
Yes, Ken.
let me try this one on for size. What should you give people who are having their 45th wedding anniversary?
A reason to go on living.
Seriously, Ro.
Seriously, I would say pearls.
Pearls. Michael.
I disagree.
Disagree. Incorrect.
He's correct, Ken. He's right. He's right, Ken.
What?
He's right.
You said pearls?
He's right.
Oh, right. I'm sorry. 15 points. All right, so I have 20 bucks right on Byron. You caught me.
Kenny,
Yes, Mom.
can you have your cut rate crooner sing me some Neil Young?
Mom, have you been seeing what's going on down here?
I'm ashamed, Ken.
Yes,
Just
mayhem.
ashamed.
Okay, 10 points in the next line of his Neil Young classic.
I've been to Hollywood, I've been to Redwood, I crossed the ocean for a heart of gold. I've been in my mind, it's such a fine line that keeps me searching for a heart of gold.
Finish it for 10. Michael.
And now I'm getting old.
Yeah, 10 points.
Yes!
25 points, Michael.
All right.
Yeah, 15 points. Try this one on. Sing the next line of his Leonard Skinner anthem.
Why would Neil Young sing about her? Well, I hope Neil Young don't put it down. Well, I hope Curly Joe will remember. Southern man don't need him around anyhow. Sweet home Alabama, where the skies are so blue. Woo. Sweet home Alabama.
Finish it, Laura.
Lord, I'm coming home to you.
15 points. There you go. That gives Laura 30 points, puts her smack dab in second place. Michael has 45, Byron has 5. While you guys snack away on some milk and cereal at Morning Classic, we'll show you why you're playing the game to begin with.
Street neat leather Wayfarer sunglasses by Ray-Ban, elegant embossed leather that's right in step with today's fashion. Wayfarer, the world's finest sunglasses from Bausch & Lomb.
It's a collection of Chrysalis CDs, including the latest hits from Jethro Tull and the greatest hits from Pat Benatar.
Roxanne assures illuminating conversations from every room. Whether sitting softly aglow or flashing for incoming calls, Roxanne literally lights up the room. By Cecina.
From Eastpak, the leader of the packs, a set of bags for school, for travel, for fun. Eastpak bags are tough and stylish, and they're built to last. Yours from Eastpak.
When remote control continues.
Under half